Hey there, Ryan here again. Thanks for taking the time to fill out the questionnaire. And based on your responses, you are a perfect fit for the Blueprint Build program. Build is created for starter agencies, those that are not quite agencies, but those are stuck in the consultant and freelancer stage that can't quite turn their skill set into a business. Within this program, we will give you the foundational elements to find the right niche for your agency. Who should you be targeting, and how can you create a profitable service offering that will get consistent results for them and bring them to you? Because a lot of you guys are just taking on business wherever you can. You're trying to service everyone, and what you're doing is you're cutting yourself off at the knees. Because if you want to make it in this game, you have got to be viewed as a verified expert, but you can't do that if you're trying to service everyone. What ends up happening is you become a jack of all trades and a master of none. So after you identify that niche and you build the right offer, then we'll help you to productize that service, which means turn it into a streamlined process that becomes scalable and repeatable. This is the foundation of any great agency. These three things will help you to get to $15,000 a month consistently and seamlessly. Within the Build program, what you're going to get access to is evergreen video training on those three things. We update them twice per year to make sure you're constantly getting the most consistent and relevant information. On top of that, you'll get access to a private community where you can ask us questions one-on-one. We give you workbooks within this training to help you find your positioning, to help you build an offer. We've got a really good system to help you develop that. And then you can ask us, the Blueprint consultants, questions on how to refine that, on how to make sure that you find that perfect niche and that perfect offer. We're going to give you a ton of templates to do that. It's going to really help you to build the right foundation for your agency based on years and years and years of experience. Not only us, our multi-million-dollar agency using these exact same templates, but hundreds of other agencies that have come through the Blueprint programs as well. And you'll also get access to a monthly working session with Blueprint coaches where you can, again, ask questions in real time. You can share deliverables. We'll take a look at it. We'll basically help you to build the right foundation for your agency. A lot of you think that you have a lead generation problem or you have a sales problem. You have a foundational problem with your agency. You need to go back to building blocks and build the right foundation. So that way, then you can start to stack the rest of the house appropriately and really get to those 50, 100, 250K months that I know you really want to get to. But before we get there, we got to start at the ground level. This is also our most inexpensive program. It's about 1/10 of the cost of the next one up, which is Blueprint Grow. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit us up. But if not, I look forward to seeing you inside the Build program.